What's up YouTube? Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about mostly sneakers and tech. And today we're going to do a review of the Nike Air Max 97 Summit White. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we are giving away a brand new Adidas D-Rupt the moment we hit 5,000 subscribers. And also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Just hit me up, Carlo Ople. I've really been a fan of white sneakers for several reasons. When it came to the Stan Smith thing, when it came here in the Philippines, it really just burst out, and just overnight, it felt like overnight, everybody was rocking white sneakers. So I felt that it was such a huge fad, it was such a huge trend, and that a lot of people were just riding it. And that's the reason why I never really got into the white sneaker craze. Now, fast forward to today, I did find a particular white sneaker that I really did love, and that's of course the shoe that we're reviewing today. That's the Nike Air Max 97 Summit White. Now, what are the things that I love about this shoe? And by the way, this will be a fairly quick review because really at the end of the day, this is just a white shoe. But let me just turn down the light a bit because you guys need to see the details of the shoe. And there you go. So what's the special thing about the shoe? It boils down to one word: character. When you say white shoes, usually they're just plain and they just use one material and they're just one-dimensional. And the thing with this one is it's an Air Max, and Air Maxes are rarely one-dimensional. Air Maxes are rarely subtle, and Air Maxes are rarely boring. And that's what you have here. So let's go through the upper very quickly. You have leather here at the bottom, which stretches throughout the entire part above, just above the midsole. It's that almost off-white thing that you guys see here moving around the shoe. Then, as with other Air Maxes that you have with the 97, you have different layers, different waves that apparently were inspired by mountain bikes. That's what I read online. Or the most recent press releases said that this was actually inspired by the Shinkansen bullet train over in Japan, but who knows. But anyway, that's what you get with the upper. You have different layers, different waves. So you have that leather, then you have streaks of mesh, then back to leather, and then you have the 3M piping. That's the strip that you see all over the shoe that allows it to glow when it gets hit by flash or by white or by light. So that's what you have with the upper. Now you have that really nice metallic silver or metallic gray swoosh on both sides, as well as the tongue tab that you see here. And that pretty much is the upper. So it's very clean, very straightforward, very nice, and I wouldn't call it 100% subtle, but it's definitely very clean and very fresh. Now, moving down to the midsole, you have that full-length Air Max unit here, which definitely helps with the comfort part of the shoe. And this part also apparently is inspired by raindrops. So again, something as modern looking and as futuristic as the shoe was actually inspired by a lot of ordinary and plain things. Moving down to the shoe, we have the outsole. You have the rubber outsole. Sorry, it's a bit dirty. I've been wearing this for a while now. And then you have that Nike logo over there. That shiny Nike logo. It just looks really nice. Now, overall, I love the shoe. It's a white shoe with character. It's a white shoe with personality. There's one problem I have with this shoe, and it's probably with all other white shoes in general, is that it gets dirty really quickly. So just a few wears and you already start to see stains, dirt, and different kinds of grime sticking to the shoe because the white canvas just really gives that that dirt a lot of pop. But anyway, you guys get the idea. So if you want to keep it clean, you'll really have to regularly clean it either with Crep Protect or whatever products that you guys have at home. Apart from that, there's nothing really else to be said about it. It's a clean white shoe, really nice design, really awesome personality, and I just love the texture that it brings to the table, even if it's just a white shoe. For sizing, I went a half size up, mainly because I felt that the leather part here would be a little constricting, and turns out that it was a right choice for me. I have wide feet, by the way, so if you have normal size feet, you might go true to size, but for me, I decided to go half a size up. Now, in terms of where to buy it, you can get it from a lot of stores already: Commonwealth, Soul Academy, and a bunch of other stores. I think Sneak Peek and Capital already have as well. So it's pretty much available in most stores already. SRP is at around 8,000 pesos. If you ask me though, if you have that budget around 8,000 to 8,500, I'd actually recommend that you guys just go for this shoe instead. I did a review of this. I'll put the link down below. This is the Air Max 98 Snakeskin. For me, this one is better because while it is clean and subtle, and it's not totally all white. The amount of materials and the texture and the personality it has just really stands out versus your normal white shoe. So I'd go for this one over the Air Max 97 if I were to just pick one. So you guys might want to check out the review of this. I'll put the link down below. And that's actually it for this review. I just want to keep it. And that's actually it for this review. I want to keep it quick, simple, and straightforward. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please do watch out for more content in the coming days ahead. Peace. God bless. Don't forget to subscribe.